Good morning. Today is the English. This is the English video session for class 10. We are dealing with the grammar part, that is gap filling, and we have already on that day we had done this particular thing, that is Kanishka, the ruler, and the options. 4 options are given to you. You need to choose the right option that is given to you, that is there, and fill in and find out if it is correct. Most of the time the confusion part comes with the prepositions and the models, and we have to be very clear in which is the appropriate. We cannot see the options will be 4, definitely 2 will definitely be confusing. Only if we read the passage 3 to 4 times continuously, it is possible for us to identify which part the mistake happens and where we can put what. Okay, so now Kanishka, the ruler of Kushana, embraced Buddhism. He invited to a Buddhist meeting during the Kashmir during his reign. It was during his time that Buddhism to Sri Lanka, Myanmar Java. Buddhism a peace-loving religion. Now look at the options that are given to you. In A is S, was, had, and has. All the verbs. Again in B, at, of, in, and all. They are also the verbs. And C, spread, spreading, and spread. And D is all, but, and it. And E option is was, is, will be, and would be. Now, already we have done it, and I have asked you to complete the part with the answers. There is no point in just looking to the answer and write. It is only to verify the answer. Why I am giving you the answers here is to make sure that you are able to identify which part you are doing the mistake and correct themselves there. It is not to copy where the answer is and do it. You are fooling yourself. In that case, you don't need to work on it at all. So when your mind is determined to work only, these things will settle down. Okay, so now we are going to have, when we are having the viva, all these things, it is very difficult to have your spoken. In that, if you are going to speak a wrong usage of the preposition, if you are going to use the wrong model, then naturally what happens is the grades in the spoken form viva will become less. You may be getting the full mark in your question and answers by writing the answers whatever is given, memorized and all. But in viva, it is your real inside the knowledge of the spoken, which would only help you to get the grades. Okay, so yes. Now the answers for it, the first one is was. Kanishka, the ruler of Kushana, embraced Buddhism. He was invited to a Buddhist meeting. Second, in Kashmir during his reign. It was during his time that Buddhism spread to Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and Java. Buddhism is a peace-loving religion. Is a peace-loving religion. Okay, understood? Shall we go to the next one? Yes. Let's see the next slide. Yes, recent heavy rains Chennai city throwing normal light out of here. The city severe waterlogging and people wading through the knee deep. I think this also we did it. Anyhow, there is nothing wrong in doing it again. It is only going to be a revision if you are doing it again. Find out if you are able to get the right answer. Many volunteers in the respective areas dash out of their relief activities. In Annai Satyanagar, food packets distributed to the victims. Many NGOs help the needy. The options are: first, has lashed, will lash, lashes. Option B is carry, carrying, carried, had carried. Option C is where, was, did, and have. Then option D is are, where, also, but, and you write the answers. You have done already in this case. You have to find out the appropriate answer from the slot and write it there and check whether it is correct. Okay, yes, can you too? Yes, since you have, try to avoid seeing the answer. See, this is for your thing you are doing. Don't fool yourself. Okay, ultimately it is you. In the war, it is only you. War of the life, it is only you who is going to face. I can only help you. Your parents can only help you. Okay, so literally try to be truthful to yourself and do the work. Clear? Now do the work, do the answers. Yes? Don't get confused. Always had lashed, had, whenever had lashed, carried, had carried. This is always a doubt that comes in the mind of the children. Which is the right option? So find out which is the right option. You have to think. You get the clarity if you start doing it again and again. Okay, so okay, now shall we go into the answers? Yes, heavy rains, recent heavy rains lashed Chennai city through normal life, throwing normal life out of gear. The city saw severe water logging and people wading through knee-deep water. Many volunteers in their respective areas carried what? Carried out the relief activities. In Annai Satyanagar, the food packets what? Were distributed, WERE, were distributed to the victims. Many NGOs also, don't write this is wrong, it's not at all there, that option is not there, by mistake it has come, doesn't matter. Okay, you should know the answer. Why do you expect this material to be right? Okay, many NGOs also, see this third option, also, right, also helped the needy. Okay, shall we go to the next one? Completed? Yes. Yes, most Indian schools fail to ensure that the students, yes, this also we did in the last time. Yes, 2 of the every 5 school going children have healthy body mass index. No, if you have done it, it means it's a revision. What you are doing is a revision. If you are can you say that you will never make mistake in this? Yes, that's why. How many times you do is not the matter. How efficiently you do is the matter. Okay? Yes. Carry on. Many Indian schools fail to ensure their students adequate playtime and fitness regime. 2 out of every 5 school-going children have a healthy body mass. Okay, BMI, and 50% of children have adequate lower body mass strength. Some schools found to offer 3 or more physical education period per week. The students dash exhausted dash summer. The option for A is does not, don't, do. B, lacked, have, lacked, has, lacked. C is was, are, is, and have. D is will get, got, get, and gets. E is in, of, during, and after. Can you try the answers? This is already done by you, so you must not take much time. It should be so easy for you. There are situations when what we had discussed in the class itself had many times come in the board paper. So don't neglect things. Okay. And come to the conclusion. I know everything. Yes, you know. Who said you don't know? But at that time, you require that only the people who have got adequate practice will only able to do. Okay, we'll see the answers. Most Indian schools fail to ensure their students adequate playtime and fitness regime. 2 out of every school going children don't have a real healthy body mass index, and 50% of children lack adequate 50% of school going children lack have a 50% of the children have adequate lower body strength. Some schools, see, okay, are found to offer 3 or more physical education periods per week. The students dash, what happens? Are exhausted, get exhausted. Okay, they get exhausted during summers because that energy to cope up is not there. Clear? Shall we go to the next one? Yes. Let's see. Every employee needs to consider himself or herself as a part of team business and function smoothly. If one has become a team player, one needs to give credit dash their team, make a higher priority. Learn to dash credit instead of taking dash. This also we have done. Find out the right answer, children. Find out this right answer. Options are given below. See, A 1, 2, 3, 4, B also 4 options, C 4 options are given, D 4 options, and E 4 options are given. Can you find out? Shall we discuss the answers in the next class? Okay. Thank you, children. We'll see in the next class.